Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and how we can navigate with TalkBack enabled. So if you use buttons for navigation, if you want to select something, you have to tap on the option first in order to select it, and then double tap in order to activate as the TalkBack voiceover actually tells us. So in this case, if I want to go to the home screen, I need to tap on home button once and then double tap in order to confirm. And if you actually use swipe gestures, then in this case, in order to perform a navigation gesture, such as let's say go to home, then you want to use 2 fingers instead of just 1. So we can do something like this. There we go. But what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna start from the beginning. So I'm gonna switch to buttons for my convenience, and I'm gonna actually go to background apps in order to completely turn off everything, including the settings page. Alright, so now, in order to turn off TalkBack, first we need to go to settings, so we can tap on settings once in order to select it, but if you don't have it on this page of the home screen, you can use 2 fingers to swipe between pages, or you can swipe up, of course, with 2 fingers as well, in order to go to the app drawer, and here we can select settings. After tapping on settings once, selecting, double tap anywhere on the screen. Use 2 fingers in order to scroll down on the left side. And of course, we need to go to accessibility. Once you find accessibility, tap once and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack once and then double tap. Tap on the switcher over here and then double tap. Tap on turn off and double tap. Pretty simple. And now TalkBack is disabled. So essentially, in order to navigate, you need to tap once on an item in order to then double tap to select it. And if you use any gestures, like scrolling, navigating, and so on, then instead of using just 1 finger, you have to use 2 instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.